Hello friends, in this tutorial I will explain you HTML5 lists. In my previous video I have explained you HTML5 links, HTML5 tables, and I have already explained the whole basic HTML5 tutorial as well. So I have explained all basic things related to HTML in a full course 1 hour video. So please have a look on those videos before watching this video. Okay, let's start. To create list in HTML, first we need to know how many types of list we can create in HTML. So there are 3 types of list: unordered list, ordered list, and other lists. So 3 types of lists we can create in HTML. So for example, if we take an example of unordered HTML list, so unordered HTML list starts with UL tag. Each list item starts with LI tag, and the list term will be marked with the bullets by default. So how we can define a list in the HTML pages? For example, if I want to make a list, so I can do like something like this. So first I will delete this table tag here, and I will so that it looks nice, and I put here some list. So unordered list start with, as I said, unordered list start with UL tag, and each item in the list will be start with LI tag. So UL, unordered list, and list item. So unordered list and list item. So if I save this page, and you see here coffee tea milk, so it's a unordered list. Unordered means here no numbers or no like ordering. For example, if you want to make ordered list, so what you will change is, instead of you will just change O. So ordered list, it will become ordered list. So if you save this, it will become ordered list. So unordered list and ordered lists are very simple. In unordered list you use UL, and ordered list you use OL. And another type of list are description list. So for example, HTML also supports description lists. A description list is a list of terms with a description of each term. Okay, so the description tag will be description list tag will be DL tag, defines the description list, and DT, the tag defines the term, and DD tag defines the describes each term. So for example, if I want to create a description list, so I can use like this. So this is a DL tag, this is a DD tag, DT tag. So here description list start with DL, and DT is the term of the table, and DD is the description. So in this table, in this list, how it will look like, I can show you. So you see here, it's a list. So coffee has name, or like coffee has defined the term name, and it's a description. So if you want to print in HTML something like this, you can use the description list. So what are the list tags? I have explained you: unordered list, ordered list, and description list. So I hope you understand this video, like how to define unordered list, ordered list, and description list in HTML5. Of course, you can give style sheets, and you can use style sheet and give some styling as well. That we can look in another video. So this is for this video, and thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.